डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरशिप लेना चाहते हैं और कंफ्यूज हैं तो आइए देवल इंडस्ट्रीज के साथ मिलकर काम करते हैं। हम आपको देंगे राप्ती टी के संपूर्ण रेंज 5 रुपए से लेकर के 25 किलो तक का, और साथ में राप्ती चॉकलेट टी, राप्ती जिंजर टी, राप्ती मसाला टी और कई राप्ती के फ्लेवर्स। तो अभी कॉल करिए 7007789842 पर।
हाँ
इंग्लिश में भी बात करो।
हाँ इंग्लिश।
अच्छा, यहाँ पर हमारे चाचा
पढ़े लिखे
हैं, वो
किसान
बता
भी
रहे हैं कि वो हिंदी में नहीं इंग्लिश में बात करना चाहते हैं। अच्छा, आपको इस कानून से क्या आपत्ति है?
These are the death warrants have been sent to us by Mr. Narendra Tomra. He must ask these questions earlier from this. I have been consulting with these farmers leaders, but nobody have been called back there. खाली अकेले कमरे में ये कानून बना दिए गए, and these in the favor of bureaucrats like Ambani and Adani, because he is the चौकीदार of the Ambani and Adani bureaucrats. He is not our देश का चौकीदार, and now he is telling himself चाय वाला. Now he has taken पंगा with दूध वाला. We have came here to devote my life here. Until he will not take this bill back, we will not go back to our home safely. Our dead bodies will go back to our. This is the backbone of the universe. He is feeding everyone. He is the feeder of this. No farmer, no food. You must know that. You must be abide by all those things, Mr. Narendra Modi. That we cannot take. You will not get food. If the farmers will not be there, they are doing suicides here. And 32 people have been died in this so far. You must feel shame on your part, Mr. Narendra Modi. This must severe cold. 85 years old and 95 years old people are staying in the open air, sleeping in the open air, and you are sleeping in the bloody AC room. You must feel shame on your part. I want to give a message through your channel, beta. ये कहता है मुँह में राम राम हरे हरे अंडे खाए खड़े खड़े. He is the prudent PM of this India. We got. We thought so earlier that this may be the sacrifice here, or he will sacrifice for the country because he has not married so far. If he is married, then he has given a divorce, I think so. But that's his private life. Will not go back in that field. But we should come here and he should apologize to these poor farmers because they are fathers and forefathers are sitting here. And we are on hunger strike on 13th onwards. So I must realize that he must have taken this on issue on fast track. He got everything he got. On hotlines he can talk and he can sort it out very well. As well, I requested to Mr. our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi to sort these issues as soon as possible on fast track. Otherwise, so many people will die in this severe cold. This is my humble request to you. I am thankful to you for this act of kindness of your channel. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.
किसान उगाता है तभी देश खाता है, इस तरह की बात है। उन्होंने कहा कि हम यहाँ खुले में सो रहे हैं और हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री एसी वाले कमरे में है। इस तरह की बातें कही जा रही। ये देखिए अपना कार्ड भी दिखा रहे हैं। यहाँ पर मैं आपको ये भी बताना चाहती हूँ, जो लोग कटाक्ष कर रहे हैं उनका ये कहना है कि यहाँ पर जो किसान आए हुए हैं उनके पास काम नहीं है। अच्छा, एक
who is giving this statement that they are free from their duties? Farmers will never be free because he got cattle also, cow and buffaloes also. So who will feed them? इसमें
उनका ये कहना है कि अगर आप लोग सच में किसान हैं तो आप लोगों को खेत में रहना चाहिए, बॉर्डर पे क्यों है, ऐसा सवाल है।
नहीं देखो बेटा, हम भी आर द सन ऑफ फार्मर्स, वी हैव बीन इन द बॉर्डर्स आल्सो. आई हैव फॉट दिस कारगिल वार, so I have been border also. That's our son only. They are on borders. They are serving in armed forces as well as here in our father and forefather are sitting here in front of you. You are seeing this, seeing this, practically. You must see that. You can see that these forefathers are sitting here. So they are telling us कि भाई तुम शांति रखो. We are leading your listening protest. So I must keep quiet. खाली बैठ के देखो बेटा. We will do any damn thing. We will not do mistake.